Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your resume on your LinkedIn. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the LinkedIn app. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. Once you do that, then on the top left corner, you can see your name icon. Tap on it. Once you do that, below your name, there's view profile option. Tap on it. Now on the top right corner you can see gear like settings icon. Once you select settings, it's gonna take a few seconds. Then on your screen you can see a few options like account preferences, sign in and security, visibility and data privacy. Tap on data privacy. Once you do that, you can see there's few options. Now you have to look for job application settings right under job seeking preferences. Tap on job application settings. Once you do that, on the bottom you can see upload resume option. Tap on it. Now select your resume. It's gonna take a few seconds to upload, and guys, that's it. That's how you upload your resume on your LinkedIn account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.